OnePlus 6 release, UK price, and how to get one before anyone else. OnePlus 6 launch, UK price, release date, how to buy one and where to find it before anyone else revealed. The OnePlus 6 launched to great fanfare yesterday. Now we finally know the facts about the Shenzhen company's latest flagship smartphone. Thoughts inevitably turn to how to get your hands on one of these much-desired devices. At least initially, getting hold of a OnePlus 6 will take a little effort. The OnePlus 6, complete with its stunning all-glass body, will be available from a number of specially opened OnePlus pop-up stores across the United States, UK, Europe, China, and India on May 21, 2018. Luckily for UK fans, one of these stores will be in London. OnePlus devotees should head to catch it in Shoreditch. There, between 12 p.m. and 9 p.m., OnePlus 6 will be on sale. Fans are warned though, if you want to make sure of being able to buy one, you need to get to the store early, as demand is expected to outstrip supply and they are likely to sell out quickly. For those willing to travel, OnePlus will also have pop-up stores across Europe. So if it's easier or cheaper to get to, head to Berlin, Milan, Paris, or Utrecht. See below for full address details. However, if you can't make it to one of the pop-up store events, you will have to wait and order from the OnePlus website on May 22. Then, all three storage options of the flagship phone will be available. The cheapest 64GB model will cost £469. If you'd prefer to buy a silk white version of the OnePlus 6, you'll have to wait even longer. The white phone, a limited edition model, will be available from June 5. Where to get the OnePlus 6 first in Europe? London, catch at 347 Old STEC 1V9 LP. Berlin, LNFA 2NF Floor, Bikini, Budapester STR 44 10787. Milan, Spazio Velvet, via Molino del Armi, 41 20123 Milano MI. Paris, Neus, 48 Rue Cambon, 75001. Utrecht, Revenge, Voorstraat 6, 3512 am. For other international locations, see https://www.oneplus.com/pt/6popups. If you want the OnePlus 6 on contract, then O2 is the place to go. O2 has today announced that it will be the exclusive UK high street retailer of the OnePlus 6 in mirror black and midnight black from May 22, available to pre-order from today. O2 customers can collect pre-orders made in store one day earlier than general release. What's more, any customer that introduces a friend to O2 can share £80 in Amazon vouchers if they buy a OnePlus 6 by June 6.